Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com and electroniclessons.com. This is one of our benchmark models. It's an easy RFID board. It comes with the extension board, the RFID decoder, RFID antenna, 125 kilohertz, 4 125 kilohertz RFID cards, and 4 output connectors. Now what happens is you program in your 4 cards, and it's compatible with any 125 kilohertz compatible cards, and they cost nothing. You can get them on eBay, you can get them all over the place. Very easy to program. You just use these 4 keys. I'll show you a demonstration in just a second. It requires 7 to 12 volts to operate, 200 milliamps or more. It comes with 4 output connectors. It comes with the antenna, which you just plug into the decoder board, which fits onto the extension board. You've got a 5mm jack. You don't have to use it. You can solder to the bottom, or you can use the 5mm jack for power. And you've got your 4 outputs. They correspond to each button. So, again, in 1 second I'll give you a demonstration. But when you have everything programmed, your cards programmed in, you use that specific card on the antenna. You bring the card down to the antenna picks it up, decodes it, and says, okay, card 1 is recognized. This output will go high for about half a second and then go low again, and then it'll go back into scanning mode. There's 2 modes. There's program mode, and then there's normal operation mode. There's a special sequence of buttons that you have to press to get into programming mode, which you'll see in a second. It's got an onboard EEPROM, so even after you power it off, it stays saved. Really a lot of fun. You can easily interface it with your Arduino, your Stamp, your TTL projects. Really, and we've made it so that you don't have to worry about any of the interface with PC. We've taken the PC out of the equation. You don't have to do any of that. Very easy to program in your cards. You can use your own cards. It comes with 4 cards. I'm really happy with this. It's easy RFID. Really just made for you guys. So you plug in your 4 connectors and interface with whatever you want. I'm going to hook up the output to some LEDs. I'm going to go through the programming sequence and the operation sequence. So stay tuned just for 1 second. Alright everybody, demonstration time. I've got each output connected to the plug and each output connected to an LED. Again, these 4 plugs come with the kit. And what I'll do is I'll add 9 volts. You can use 7 to 12 volts. Only really requires less than 200 milliamps, so there you go. So I've used a 9 volt 1000 milliamp power supply, or 9 volts or 1 amp. Plugged it in. You hear a beep indicator saying, okay, power's on. First of all, what we want to do is we want to program in our 4 cards. We're going to use this card, this card, this card, and this card for 1, 2, 3, 4. And this card we're going to use as an extra. You'll see why in a minute. So to program, you see there's 4 buttons here. Key 1, key 2, key 3, and key 4. To set to program mode, you press 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4. And the programming LED comes on. When the programming LED comes on, you take your first card, hold down key 1, and that is programmed for output 1. You'll notice that the LED and the beeper beep on and off. Now I've got the beep cover, or the piezo buzzer covered right now because it's very loud and very annoying. But it's supposed to be that way. So press key 2. Key 2 is programmed. Key 3. And key 4. So now all of our cards are programmed. Output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4. And this is our unprogrammed key card. We're going to hold that there. So now to go back into normal mode, press key 1 and key 2 and key 4 at the same time. Now those 4 cards, the data on those 4 cards have been saved into the EEPROM. Using the code that we just talked about, 1233214, we can always reprogram it using different cards. So now that it's in normal mode, what I can do is use card 1. You might have trouble seeing it, but output 1 turns on for about half a second. Let's try 2. Yep. I'm just using the LEDs to show you, But you can interface this with your Arduino, your stamp, your TTL projects, anything you want. It's saved into the EEPROM. There are 4 mounting holes. You can mount it. Now let's look at the card that is not programmed. It'll say, oh, I'm receiving something, but nothing's happening. So let's unplug it and start over just to show you that it is actually saved in EEPROM. I've powered it down, and I'll plug it in again. Card 1, card 2, card 3, card 4. Now let's say we want this to be card 4. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4. Sorry. And the programming mode LED comes on. I'm going to hold down key 4, and the new card that's going to activate output 4 is this one, not this one. So let's press output or keys 2 and 4 at the same time. Sets us back into normal mode. So output 1, output 2, output 3, and output 4. Very easy to program. We've done everything for you here. Easy interface. It comes with the 4 plugs, the board, and the antenna. Very easy to put together. Very easy to interface with your other projects. You don't have to worry about interfacing this with your PC. So again, use 7 to 12 volts on the input. It requires less than 200 milliamps to operate. Any AC to DC transformer, wall transformer, between 7 and 12 volts at 200 milliamps or higher will work. You can solder to the bottom of the board if you don't want to use the 5 millimeter jack. We will have 9 volt transformers in stock within the upcoming weeks, so you can purchase one of those if you'd like. Anyway, this is the first demonstration. I'm going to make a few other videos featuring this device and showing you different applications as to how you can use it. Now again, we have this is the second RFID model that we have. We also have a relay driver RFID board. The relays turn on. It functions similarly. I've got a video for that. The relays turn on for 5 seconds at a time. Good for door locks. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a great day.